At a video game center, G games are played by adding Q quarters. If G is equal to 2Q plus 1, how many additional quarters are needed to play 6 additional games? Here we have linear function G is equal to 2Q plus 1, and 2 is our slope, right? So we know that as Q increases by 1, G increases by 2. That's what slope means, right? We actually can check it with the values of x and y. Let's say here we have Q and G. If Q is 1, we have 3 here. If Q is 2, 2 times 2 plus 1, 5. If Q is 3, 2 times 3 plus 1, 7. So we see that as Q increases by 1, G increases by 2. So back to the question. How many additional quarters are needed to play 6 additional games? We know that if we have 1 additional quarter, then we can play 2 additional games, right? So in order to play 6 additional games, which is 3 times of this, 2, so 6 additional games, then we must have 1 times 3, 3 additional quarters, right? So the answer is 3.